Welcome to our tutorial about navigation. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to implement navigation controls in the master page. Let's start by clicking Add New Item, and from the list of installed templates, click Site Map. Language Visual Basic. We'll accept the default name and click Add. Now here we've got an XML page that defines the skeleton of our navigation. Page 1.aspx. Let's right-click and copy this. And we're going to paste it here. And here, we'll just change the page references to 2 and 3. The title, we'll call it Home. The description, Home as well. This page we'll call About Us. And the description, the same thing, About Us. Our third page we'll title Contact Us. And description also, Contact Us. Okay, I need to create one more page. Add New Item. Select Web Form. Let's call it Page 3. Make sure that Select Master Page is checked and click Add. Let's choose our master page and click OK. Here, let's type Contact Us. Page 3. Something like that. Okay, let's go back to our master page and add a column to our table. Insert, Rows or Columns, select Columns, left of selection, and click OK. Let's expand our toolbox now and scroll down to the navigation branch. We're going to bring in a menu control and drop it right here. Okay, first thing to do is choose a data source. We don't have one yet, so we'll select New Data Source. And the data source configuration window opens. Let's choose Site Map and click OK. Now let's go to Auto Format and select a color scheme, colorful for example. Click OK. The view, let's leave it at static. We're ready to test our page. Right-click and select View in Browser. Yes. Our page is connecting. And here is our page. Let's click About Us. We're on page 2 now, as you can see from the address. Let's try Contact Us. And now, as you can see, we're on page 3. We can verify it in the URL as well. Let's close our application. And again, let's right-click and insert another column. This time, we'll make it to the right of our selection. Click OK. And let's select our table and resize it a little bit. Expand the toolbox. And let's bring in a tree view control. First, select Data Source, Site Map, and back to Auto Format. Let's choose Bulleted List number 6. Click OK, and let's test our page. Right-click, View in Browser. Yes. Our page is connecting. And as you can see, here we are able to navigate using the tree. Close. There's one more thing I wanted to show you, the Site Map control. Let's drag and drop it in right here. Now go to Auto Format. And let's check our choices here. Let's try Colorful and click OK. Let's view our page. View in Browser. Yes. Oh, I should have inserted a break right there. Let's go back and do that now. Close our app. And enter. And let's view in Browser again. Yes. Now it looks better. Let's click on About Us and Contact Us. As you can see, our path changes. Very fast and very easy. And this concludes our tutorial about using navigation controls.